if your body feels stiffer after 40, or everyday movements just don't feel as easy anymore. These simple bodyweight exercises can help you move more comfortably again. Let's start. Number 1, standing hip circles. Most women think tight hips are just part of getting older. They're not. It simply means your hips haven't been moved through their full range. Your hips connect your entire upper and lower body. When they're stiff, your back hurts, your knees suffer, and your posture drops. Hip circles bring that full, natural range of movement back. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hands on your hips. Slowly draw big circles with your hips, going one direction. Keep your upper body as still as possible. Finish all your reps, then reverse the direction. 10 slow circles each direction. 2 rounds. Rest 15 seconds. Number 2, ankle circles. Most women never even think about their ankles, but stiff ankles affect everything above them. Your knees, your hips, your balance, and your lower back. This small exercise fixes a problem most people never know they have. Flexible ankles improve your balance, lower your risk of falling, and make every single step feel smoother and more controlled. After 40, this one daily habit makes a much bigger difference than you'd expect. Sit in a chair or stand near a wall. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Draw slow, big circles with your foot, one direction, then the other. Finish one foot completely, then switch. 10 circles each direction per foot. 2 rounds. Rest 10 seconds. Number 3, cat-cow. If your back feels stiff or sore, this might feel scary to try. But cat-cow is used by physiotherapists all over the world to gently unlock a tight, stiff spine. It is that safe, and it is that effective. Women who do this daily often feel better within the very first week. Get on all fours, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Breathe in, drop your belly, and gently lift your head. That's cow. Breathe out, round your back up toward the ceiling. That's cat. Move slowly and smoothly between the two. 10 slow reps, 2 rounds. Rest 15 seconds. Number 4, chest opener. If your shoulders feel rounded and tight, it's from years of leaning over a phone, a desk, or a steering wheel. This exercise starts undoing all of that. Gentle, simple, no equipment needed, and you will feel it working straight away. This opens your chest, stretches the front of your shoulders, and restores the upper body posture you've slowly been losing. Women who do this consistently feel taller and lighter within minutes. Stand tall. Clasp both hands behind your lower back. Gently straighten your arms and lift them just slightly. Open your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold 5 seconds. Release. Repeat. 10 reps. Hold 5 seconds each. 2 rounds. Rest 15 seconds. Number 5, standing hip flexor stretch. If you sit for most of the day, your hip flexors are almost certainly tight right now, and they're quietly causing your back pain, your stiff hips, and your poor posture. This one stretch targets all 3 at once. Opening them up makes everyday movement feel so much easier and more natural. Stand tall. Hold a chair for balance if you need it. Step 1 foot forward into a comfortable, gentle lunge. Push your hips gently forward until you feel a stretch in your back leg. Hold, then slowly switch sides. Hold 20 to 30 seconds per side. 2 rounds. So here's your mobility routine builder. Start with standing hip circles, 10 each direction. Then move into cat-cow, 10 slow reps. Follow with the chest opener, 10 reps, hold 5 seconds each. Then do the hip flexor stretch, 20 to 30 seconds per side. And finish with ankle circles, 10 each direction per foot. Do this every morning, stay consistent. Your body responds faster than you think. and 95% of your daily stiffness will start to disappear. If you want to move better and feel younger after 40, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.